બેક ટુ કાયદાની વાતો. In today's video, we will explain Chapter 2 of Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, that is, how criminal courts and legal key offices structured in India. In this chapter includes section 6 to 20. Let's understand each and every part in simple and clear language. So let's begin to learn Chapter 2, Constitution of Criminal Courts and Offices. This chapter includes section 6 to 20. Section 6, Classes of Criminal Courts. This section tells us what kind of courts exist in India under this law. There are first sessions courts, second judicial magistrate, first class and second class, executive magistrate. These courts are the base of India's criminal justice system. These courts are the base of the Indian criminal justice system. Section 7, Territorial Divisions. This section allows state government to divide areas into sessions, division and district and appoint the metropolitan areas for large cities with over 10 lakh population. This helps manage jurisdiction efficiently. Section 8, Court of Session. Each session division will have a court of sessions headed by a sessions judge appointed by the High Court. There are also be additional and assistant sessions judges. They handle serious criminal cases like murder, rape and dacoity, etc. Section 9, Judicial Magistrate. In every district except matters, there will be Judicial Magistrate of the first class, Judicial Magistrate of the second class. They handle less serious offences and initial stages of criminal cases. Section 2, Chief Judicial Magistrate and other. The High Court appoints a Chief Judicial Magistrate, CJM. In every district, there can also be an additional CJM and a Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate, SDJM, for better administration. Section 11, Special Judicial Magistrate. State governments can appoint Special Judicial Magistrate to handle specific types of cases in consultation with the High Court. This helps reduce the burden of the regular magistrates. Section 12, Local Jurisdiction of the Magistrate. This section defines where a magistrate can exercise power, their jurisdiction. For example, a magistrate in Surat cannot hear a case from Ahmedabad unless given authority. Section 13, Subordination of Judicial Magistrate. This section tells us who reports to whom. Judicial magistrates are under the control of the Chief Judicial Magistrate. The CJM is under the Sessions Judge. Section 14, Executive Magistrate. The state government appoints executive magistrate for maintaining public peace and order. One of them is designated as the District Magistrate, DM. Section 15, Special Executive Magistrate. In special circumstances, the government can appoint special executive magistrate to handle particular duties like during the festivals, elections or communal tensions. Section 16, Jurisdiction of Executive Magistrate. Similar to Section 12, this section defines the area of control for executive magistrate, their local jurisdictions. Section 17, Subordination of the Executive Magistrate. Executive Magistrate report to the District Magistrate, DM, or Subdivisional Magistrate, SDM, depending on the where they are posted. Section 18, Public Prosecutors. The state government appoints public prosecutor in sessions courts to represent the government in serious criminal cases. Section 19, Assistant Public Prosecutor. These are appointed in magistrate courts where they assist the handling routine and less serious criminal trials on behalf of the government. Section 20, Directorate of Prosecution. This is a new and modern approach. The government can set up a Directorate of Prosecution handed by a director to oversee and streamline the functioning of all prosecutors. This improves coordination and efficiency. This is the new section which is added in BNSS, which were not in CrPC. So let's go the summary and key takeaways for chapter 2. Let's quickly recap what we learned in chapter 2. First, different types of criminal courts and their hierarchy, the role and appointment of judges and magistrates, power and jurisdiction areas of each court, role of prosecutors and how they are appointed, a new structure, Directorate of the Prosecution, a better administration. This chapter gives us a full picture of who handle criminal cases and how the criminal justice system is organized. In the next video, we will move to chapter 3, Power of Courts. In this chapter, we will learn what power of each level of courts has in criminal cases. If you find this explanation useful, then share this video with others and like this video, and also subscribe this channel. We'll meet soon in next chapter. Take care. Jai Hind.